and Technology College. I have done a course on machine learning using Python from Webskitters Academy under the guidance of Mr. Indranil. Also, I have done a project during this course. Amazingly, this course and the project helps me a lot during my technical interview sessions. And now, I am placed in Delta X with the CTC of 6 lakhs per annum. I am really thankful to Webskitters Academy and our course mentor, Mr. Indranil.
Hit like, share, subscribe, click on notification bell. If you want to join the course or want a free demo class online, get the registration link below inside the description box.